All right. So we are going to write we're going to write the equation of the circle. That means our answer is going to look like this. Right here. This is what I'm shooting for. So, what do I know about my circle? I know that the endpoints of the diameter are 4, -6, and 10, 12. All right? So these are the endpoints of my diameter. So the scenario is this. I know these 2 points. To write the equation of a circle, I don't need those 2 points. I need this one. That is the middle of these, right? So I am going to average my x's. 4 plus 10 is 14, divided by 2 is 7. -6 plus 12 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. So my center is at 7, 3. So you're going to start by writing the first part of your circle, x minus 7 squared plus y minus 3 squared. Now, that has to equal something. Well, in order to find the something that it equals, I need to know the radius. And the radius is simply the distance between these 2 points. So I'll do my distance formula. 10 minus 7 squared, 12 minus 3 squared. So 10 minus 7 squared is 9. 12 minus 3 squared is 81. So I get the square root of 90. Now wait, I know you want to write that down, but don't. Because when you're writing, I don't know why I put 1 here. When you're writing the equation of your circle, that is the radius squared. So that's going to be 90. There's no point in breaking that down. You need to square it to put it into the equation. So that's that. All right? Chase Stewart. Now we got 7 other problems, and we did 1. We got 7 other. Which one do you want to practice? Quickly, where I write the equation, or where you find the focus? Okay. So we've got the equation of a parabola. And we need to find, for this, the blanks will be vertex, focus, directrix, and focal width. Okay? So we've talked about this over and over again. You're going to need every point you can get tomorrow, and half of this question is no-brainer. What's the vertex? 3, -1. What's the focal width? No, don't say negative. You're going to miss half credit. It's not -24. It is 24. Now, the negative is important, but it doesn't go in the blank down there. It's 24. All right, so here it is. 3, -1. Which way does it open? Down. This is a down. And we know it's down, Zion. How? You knew it was down. How did you know it was down? Okay, but some negatives are left. How did you know this one was down? X squared. When it's x squared and negative, it goes down. Absolutely right, Zion. Good work. Now, that means that my focus is down here somewhere. And I know I'm just going to go straight down, so it's going to be easy to find if I know how far down to go. Well, I always go a fourth of this number. So if this number is 24, I'm going to go down 6, which is going to put me at 3, -7. And if I went down 6, I'm going to go up 6 for my directrix. Notice, kids, even in the answer blank, there's no parentheses. This is not a point. This is a line. And it would be the line where y equals 5, because you're going up 6 from -1. Okay? All right, one more quick thing. We don't have time to do a whole nother problem. But let's suppose we have a hyperbola. And its center is 3, 2. And the slope of the asymptotes is 1/2 or -1/2. All right, let's practice writing these asymptotes really quick. All right, so everybody should be practicing this because you know you're going to have to do this tomorrow. There are 2 of them. You got to do them separately. So however you do it, one of them should come out to be this. Make sure that, you might be doing it a totally different way, and that's okay, but make sure that this is the answer you're getting. And if it's not, then you need to practice writing equations and lines. And there would be the second one. Make sure that you can do that. You can't blow off any questions tomorrow. You've got to make an attempt at everything. All right, I'll see you. Time to go. Wait, whose can is this?